Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2-trip odometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.